Tonight, we're putting together a birthday scoop for Gianna with love from Natalia and Luca. Happy birthday, Gianna. Three notebooks. Plus one more. Two mini notebooks. Plus two more. Look, this one says happy birthday on it. Three pens. I have an obsession with blind box pens. Plus two more. Two erasers. Plus two more. One clear pouch. Let's add these two cute little ones. One washi tape. Plus one more. One memo pad. This style has a mini clipboard. Plus two more. Ruby's favorite, two scenery stickers. Let's add two more. One sticky note. Plus two more. One plush keychain. Let's add this cute little puppy. One Tapa squishy. Plus one more. One beaded charm. This looks so beautiful in the sunlight. One acrylic clip. I love this little box of bread stickers. Okay, that's everything for your order. I hope you love everything. Happy birthday, Gianna. Thank you so much.